Ready for a spicy, cheesy bite of heaven? Let's make bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Slice 8 jalapenos lengthwise and carefully remove the seeds and membranes. In a bowl, mix 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup shredded cheddar, 2 chopped green onions, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Stuff each jalapeno half with that creamy, cheesy mixture. Now wrap each one with a slice of bacon. Secure with toothpicks if needed. Place on a baking sheet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or even better. Grill them over charcoal or gas for next-level flavor. Once crispy and golden, cool slightly, and top with fresh chopped parsley. Serve warm with your favorite dip. These are party-perfect anytime. Only real ingredients, only real flavor. Subscribe for more delicious keto and carnivore recipes every single week. Now go make these poppers and impress your whole crew.